How to iterate over a list with index in Python language. Consider that we are given a list of strings in fruits variable. We need to iterate over this list where we access both the index and item inside the loop. Take a for loop, and for each item in the given list, let us print item to the output. This for loop accesses just the item in the list, but not the index. But we need index also. How to access the index? We can use enumerate function with the list. Enumerate function returns an iterable that gives us access to both the index and item. Let us print both the index and item to the output. Run the program. We got access to the both index and item inside the for loop. Concluding this video, we have seen how to use the enumerate function with the list to iterate over the items in the list using index. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.